Oh, it was a fantastic week. We had beautiful weather and amazing instructors. Tim and Doug were fantastic, and we passed.
Yeah, so this was my third week, and the previous two were with a Nautilus alumni who was trained about 2020. So we did a monohull out of Grenada, and that was an amazing week. Tobago Keys and the turtles and all that. And then during COVID, we did a second one in the Exumas. And we got the bug and thought, yeah, let's learn from Nautilus as well. They've got a good balance between fun and education. We watched all the videos, amazing work on the videos. And yeah, we got to sail at high winds, almost at the reefing point one day. We were at 20 knot winds and going about, what was it, 7 or 8 knots speed. So yeah, and all the anchorages and restaurants and swimming, and turtles. Couldn't ask for more. It was beautiful. Definitely feel confident. And this is the Abacos would be our choices. It's confined, it's sheltered. And we were with Navigare,
And
Katja, Lagoon 42, 2020, and it was perfectly maintained. Everything worked beautifully. And just the opportunity to go outside Whale Cut and experience going through cuts, and then yeah, restaurants and
Oaktown, all the great stops that we did. We just do them again with friends and family.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Getting used to trimming and points of sail, and then just the differential engines, learning how to spin a catamaran and park it and anchor it, and it seems very intimidating, but it just works like a charm. It's not nearly as intimidating. Just a little bit of experience does the trick.
Like, we're the range of preparation. This guy read all the books through and through and through, watched all the videos. We had a little game of practicing our knots for weeks, every day, one each. And but I just watched the videos and read a couple of the books through. I'm a crammer, and I still loved it and did great. I say to the ladies who are like thinking, it's his thing, I'll just come along. You can do it too. I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really looking forward to having my turn at the helm.
I like there was an opportunity to prepare it in advance, and I recommend that. The videos are great, the books are great, but if you're just going to do one thing, videos. But no, I was so proud of Lisa. She came here with a learning attitude, and the material was fun to learn and presented in a fun way that still allowed for recreation and enjoyment of the scenery and stuff.